Hey, good to see you, Ty.
Good to see you
Welcome
as
to
always.
Unit 1502.
Very nice. I am so excited to be here. Everybody, welcome to downtown San Diego. Mike, give us an overview of where we are, what you love about downtown, and then this unit.
Oh yeah, this is a beautiful unit, incredible location. This is an iconic building called the Harbor Club, and we're right across the street from the San Diego Convention Center. Just a perfect location. It's 2,510 square feet. It's about 2 bedrooms. You want to take a look?
I would love to.
Well, let's go take a look.
I've been searching, follow every step, every road, every single trace.
Notice the Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, and then it opens up to this amazing view of San Diego. It's gorgeous. I mean, you've got the cityscape here from Petco Park to the Convention Center to the Coronado Bridge and the Coronado Islands. I mean, it's just beautiful.
As we transition here, I can see that there's the breakfast nook here.
Right,
And
this
the
is
kitchen.
yep. This is where your dining area is, so you can have breakfast. You know, overlooking the bay. This is where some dinners take place too. You know, kitchen is just really gorgeous. They did a nice job with the kitchen here. You've got custom cabinetry, GE monogram appliances, but really nicely done here with the views too, overlooking the Marriott Hotel in downtown. You know, let's take a look around to some of the other areas. I'll show you around.
Very nice. After you.
Okay.
Now, as we enter this wing of the home, what do we have over here?
This is a gorgeous living area where most of the social activity happens. I've been to a few
my God.
gatherings here. It's an amazing place to entertain.
Now, this space, how much did the owners use this?
I think it's safe to say they spend a lot of their time in this part of the house.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just a great place to be. Good thing about it too is you don't have to leave to get cocktails or drinks or food. There is a full bar here. You've got a dishwasher for the wine glasses. If
Wow.
you're a wine drinker, you've also got a microwave, the cabinet for the bar, and then they've got their own little portable bar here.
And now for the master retreat. Mike, are you ready?
It is showtime. This is a great master as far as masters go downtown because look at the size of this room. Beautiful maple flooring. You've got crown molding throughout. The northwestern views here downtown, and just a really good sized master. In the bathroom, you'll see here we've also got really nice features. Again, you have the archways. This is lined with some marble. Got marble countertops, dual basin.
I see all sorts of different shower heads in there.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is like the party shower.
It kind of is. I mean, look, you've got a bench back there. It's tiled really beautifully. And it feels kind of like a resort, doesn't it?
Well, I gotta say thank you so much for this
you bet.
tour. It is not over quite yet. I'm gonna go meet the owner of the property, and then we'll explore the amenities, and then the helicopter, of course.
Can't wait for that.
How's it going?
Good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Love the home, and I'm
Thank
excited to
you.
kind of sit here with you and talk a little bit about how you've enjoyed the property and what it's been like living here in beautiful downtown.
Well, let's start with this amazing view. I mean, every morning waking up to this beautiful view of Coronado and the bay, and you know, just living downtown San Diego is amazing. The amazing restaurants, you know, I do Pilates just downstairs. Coronado, we love taking the water ferry over there and riding our bikes. All of our friends just love coming down here to hang out with us because we love entertaining. We have a big family, so we have a beautiful cabana downstairs with an amazing pool and jacuzzi. It's just a beautiful place to live. Like, we definitely use all the amenities here.
Very nice. And as you say, all of the amenities, I'm gonna go check them all out now with Mike.
Yay.
I gotta say thank you so much.
Nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
beautiful home.
Thank
I will
you.
see you soon.
Okay, great.
All right, Mike, so here we are at the pool, and Andrea did a great job explaining how her and her family have used this, but in your words, give us an overview of this
Summer
area.
lounging and pool parties. Come on, what can be better? This is San Diego. You get great weather all year round. Very nice pool here. Obviously a huge pool with everything to offer for the kids at the other end with a 3-foot depth and a 5-foot depth on this side. But this area is a really nice entertaining area. You've got the jacuzzi, you've got multiple fire pit areas. There's a barbecue pit area in the back. Next to that is this kitchen area. TVs in there, refrigerators, you name it.
Very nice. It's resort style living
really
here in San Diego. I gotta say thank you again.
Yeah,
Are you ready
bet.
to fly?
Let's go fly.
All
I'm
righty.
ready. Yeah.
Alrighty, Mike, it's good to see you here again today, and of course, we are now flying over beautiful San Diego. I'm so used to saying sunny San Diego, but we're doing an evening flight
Hey,
tonight.
this is not bad. Twilight cruise over the city. Not bad at all.
And let's just look around and let's just start having a conversation because there's so much to love about the city from a bird's eye view. But the cool thing about the airport and what we're flying over is it's so close to the unit that we just left.
It's amazing to have this location for sure.
When we were inside the home, everybody got to see the perspective of daytime. But now you get to really understand how the city lights up and just how beautiful it is when it does.
Well, that's right. When the sun goes down here in San Diego, the nightlife really starts up. Whether you've got vacationers or people locals that are just enjoying the amenities of the city and all the excitement that the city has to offer, there's so much that's going on down here right now.
And the cool thing is you get the city life on the waterfront as well.
That's right. I mean, that's pretty rare, right? The great thing too is that all these marinas are going to be redone in the next 5 years, and they're trying to expand the marinas to bring in bigger and bigger boats, kind of like Miami, Florida.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice. And now, as we're kind of hovering right around the building there, Mike, I don't say this to scare you, but we are so high up, and I absolutely love it because you can't get a better view of that penthouse than this.
You really can't. I mean, this is it's a 41-story building. We're about 15 stories up, and from that view, you can see the Coronado Islands, you can see Coronado, you can see Point Loma. It's just a gorgeous view from the balconies.
Thank you so much for an amazing day and night, and I look forward to seeing who's the lucky owner of this property.
You bet. Well, thanks for having us, Ty.
Anytime.